One of the best meme coins in the entire cryptocurrency space is Pepe. Guys, back in 2023, Pepe launched and it went to $1 billion market cap faster than any other coin had ever done it. It beat Dogecoin. It beat Shiba Inu coin in 19 days. Pepe essentially went from zero to a $1 billion market cap. And right now, Pepe tokens are soaring in value. We're going to be going over those tokens in this video, and we're going to be highlighting one specifically that analysts believe could do just as well as Pepe has done. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we've got a beautiful article on the screen today that says Pepe-themed coins are experiencing significant gains, but Pepe has outperformed them with even greater capital funding. $14.5 million in the last couple of months is outperforming nearly all other Pepe tokens at the moment. And we're going to be going over those numbers in a second. But first, let's look at some of the other ones. It says meme coins are back in vogue, cruising past the $40 billion market cap and currently shining at $42.63 billion. Trading volumes have surged by 5.11% in the past 24 hours, reaching an impressive $5.57 billion. And Pepe is actually taking up a very large chunk of that. It says among the hottest tokens grabbing investor attention are the popular Pepe-themed coins. Pepe leads the pack with it, as it has jumped 37.49% overnight and a remarkable 58% over the last 7 days. Moving on, it says Pepe's price today, and this is the graph there, but following closely is Pepe coin, which has soared 10.11% in just 1 day and climbed 43% over the last week. The third most valuable meme coin, Pepe, has seen a solid 5.62% bump just since Thursday. Now, guys, if you come out to coinmarketcap.com, you can see Dogecoin here doing very well with $478 million in volume. Shiba Inu coin doing very well with $162 million in volume. But Pepe down here at number 27, another $400 million in volume. And this is down from where it was a couple of days ago at $1 billion in 24-hour volume. It is obvious that Pepe tokens are doing very well. It says, while these Pepe-themed meme coins have fared well lately, the ultimate version of Pepe, Pepe, has outdone all of them by breaking yet another presale milestone, earning the title of the top token presale in 2024. Guys, this is Pepe Unchained. We're going to be going over it in a second here, but if you have not yet seen it, $14.5 million sold so far, and you're going to see a price increase very, very quickly here. It goes on, since its launch just 3 months ago, investors have quickly recognized how the project plans to address the quirks of Pepe ownership, which explains the substantial capital it has raised. The solution is a proprietary blockchain designed to offer speeds 100 times faster than Ethereum at a fraction of the gas costs, something no other Pepe-themed token provides. So while Pepe tokens enjoy their moment in the spotlight, Pepe is patiently waiting in the wings, ready to be unleashed. And in order to see development on their blockchain, they have a developer grant that is available. You guys can already apply. If you are a developer, you can't already apply. In Q4, you will be able to apply and get a grant to build on the Pepe Unchained Layer 2 blockchain. Guys, Shiba Inu coin doesn't do that. I mean, think about how big the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem is. Think about how big their team is. And they are not bringing in decentralized developers. They are doing everything in-house so that they can have 100% centralized control. Pepe Unchained is going to be bringing in some of the top developers in the entire world with their Layer 2 development grants. Now, of course, you can see all the benefits of a Layer 2 blockchain here, but it is extremely simple to connect your wallet, and it is safe to connect your wallet to this website. All you've got to do is scan this QR code with the wallet on your phone, and then once you do, determine how much you want to buy. So let's say that you want to grab 5,000 USDT worth. You're going to be walking away with 508,646 Pepe Unchained or Pepe tokens. But why is the demand so high? Why have they sold $14 million so far? If you come to their About section, you can see that they are all about meme coins. This is the future of meme coins. So combine the layer 2 sort of benefits and efficiency with the fact that they are supporting and they are building for meme coins, knowing full well that when retail investors return to the market, this interest is going to soar higher and they're going to be buying, yes, meme coins. Guys, the fear to greed index is already ticking back up. We're already seeing levels of just slight greed pop up on this fear to greed index right here. And we have not yet seen it on CoinMarketCap, but I'm sure we will very soon see greedy. We're back at neutral territory right now with a level of 50. But things are looking good on all fronts. We've got an election coming up here in the United States that could reshape the entire cryptocurrency landscape. We've got, the 4-year bull to bear market, bear to bull market cycles coming to a conclusion and gearing up for a major FOMO rally into Bitcoin, into altcoins, and especially into meme coins. We've got a fear to greed index showing more and more confidence every single day, and we've got $14.5 million sold so far. This is not some tiny crypto gem. This could potentially be one of the next biggest meme coins in the entire cryptocurrency space. That's why I'm so excited about Pepe Unchained. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are excited about Pepe Unchained. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.